Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to integrate Gmail with Zapier. First of all you have to do is open Zapier website and sign in with your account. From here, all you have to do is click on Zap to create a new Zap. A new page will open. From here, you have to select Trigger and type Gmail on the search bar and click on Gmail. From here, you have to trigger an event. You can select any event according to your preference. In this video, I will select New Email. And then in the account section, you have to connect your Gmail account with Zapier. Once you've done that, you have to click on continue, and then you have to go to the actions tab. On this section, you have to search filter and select filter by Zapier. And on this section, you can select any field. You can do text search. You can choose like raw payload body size, text contains this or that. If text matches with that, do this or that. You can experiment different things with this automation. And that's basically how you can integrate Gmail with Zapier. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.